Hear you.
It's not on?
We can't hear it.
Can't hear it.
Hello.
It's on. Just speak right into it.
Hello, my name's Owen.
My name's AJ.
My name's Martian. And we're doing Krakatoa. Did you know that Krakatoa, an Indonesian volcanic island, erupted into one of the most violent explosions recorded in the history of the Earth? The eruption took place on August 27, 1883, and caused a huge tsunami over 100 feet tall. It released sulfur dioxide, which reduced the average temperature in the area for 4 to 5 years. The explosion of Krakatoa created a force of 200 megatons of TNT, shooting a column of debris 20 miles high.
Krakatoa is a stratovolcano, which means that it is very explosive and creates something called pyrastic flow, which means it is a huge cloud of ash, pumice, and smoke. Magma, which is especially thick and sticky, builds up, creating intense pressure. Finally, the magma funnels up through the central vent in the volcano, which makes a more powerful explosion. The height of this stratovolcano is approximately 2,600 feet high and 5,000 feet wide, so it is twice as wide as it was tall. When it exploded, 75% of the volcano, totaling 12 square miles, blew up, killed an estimated 36,000 people. Shockwaves apparently traveled around the world seven times. The sound traveled 2,400 miles, meaning it could be heard in Australia.
Krakatoa was such a big explosion, we wanted to do something that could match that in our model. So we made it out of paper mache, and we are going to use baking soda and vinegar to make the lava flow, and then use pressure to blow up the volcano. Oh, and it's going to be pretty loud, so you can close your ears.
I want to hear
Marshall.
Do you just plug your ears?
I do.
It is.